Kayla Ny'Ree, and we are back with another video. So as you can tell by the caption and the thumbnail that we are going to be talking about how to get rid of dark underarms instantly. Okay, this is going to be featuring Truly Beauty because I really love their product. They actually work wonders. Like, it's absolutely crazy. You can actually do this with other products as well. Me personally, I like using their products. So what I would say, prior to shaving, make sure that you exfoliate. You want to exfoliate and get those ingrown hairs up out of there. Like, they are our enemies. We got to get them up out of there. So when you're doing the scrub, you're actually getting the ingrown hairs from out of your skin. Most times, if you have like a curly hair texture, you're more prone to ingrowns, and because your hair does not grow straight up. It grows in a curly spiral, and so when it grows like that, it grows out, but then it grows back into your skin, and that is the worst. Make sure that you're using your scrub before you actually go in and shave. So you're gonna use your scrub to get those ingrown hairs out. This is the kind that I use right here. I use the Smooth Legend, the pre-shave scrub, and I love it. It smells so good. It's cruelty free, so I really do love that, and it doesn't have any toxins or anything in it. Like, it is just, it's just chemical free, and it's just good for you. So you would want to use the scrub prior to, and then after the scrub you want to go in with a shaving cream. So the shaving cream that I typically would use is this shaving cream from Truly Beauty. It's called Happy Hairless. I love using this. This is the whipped, this is the rich shave butter is what they call it. It has coconut, grape, passion fruit, lavender, vitamin E, and again, it's cruelty free and it doesn't have any harmful chemicals. You want to use a shaving cream that is hydrating, that's not drying or anything. You want to make sure that your underarms and any other area that you may shave is fully hydrated. Like, you don't want it to be dry. That's what causes hyperpigmentation and crusty. Like, no, we don't need that, sis. We're not going fat. This is super moisturizing. It smells so good. I'm linking all this in the description box below, so don't forget to press that link. When you are shaving, make sure you shave in the direction where your hair is going. Like, you don't want to shave in any other direction because that causes bumps and ingrowns as well, which also turns into discoloration, and we don't want that. Like, the way that I shave, I go under my arm and I just shave down this way. That's all I do. I don't go upward, side to side, none of that. Don't do that. Just shave down, because that's the way that my hair is growing. I mean, you just see which way that your hair is growing. If you're going down with your finger like this and your hair is smooth, then that's the way that it is growing. If you go upward and it is rugged, it is not growing that way. Sideways, you know, I don't know how your hair grows, but I know how my hair grows, and it grows down, and that's the way I shave. Make sure that you are shaving properly. Your shaving technique is everything. That ensures also that you don't have any ingrowns or any bumps or anything accumulating there. After you get done, even though we use the scrub, we use the moisturized shaving cream, you want to make sure that you are moisturizing your underarms or anywhere else that you may shave. You want to moisturize those areas as well, because if you do not, like I said, it will be dry, it will be crusty, and you will have dark skin. You want to make sure that you are exfoliating and just make sure that you are moisturizing. That is very important, number one. So I used the Glazed Donut by Truly Beauty. So this is what I normally would use, and it has the aftershave oil. It has coconut, grape, passion fruit, lavender, the same thing that they have in vitamin E. I really love this. Look at the consistency here. Like, it looks oily, but once you put it on, it moisturizes your skin so freaking good. Like, oh my god, like, it just moisturizes it so good, and it makes it look so much better. Those before and after pictures are real. I'm not kidding. So I mean, if you guys have any questions, make sure you leave it down in the comment section below. Make sure you press that like button and that subscribe button. Don't forget to press the bell next to the subscribe button so you don't miss another video from me. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.